So I first started coming to Dr. Baron because my mom was seeing her, and I originally went to see her because I think it was a wart or something on my skin, and she zapped it off. Like within seconds, it was gone. I didn't start using her products right away. I first started coming to her over 10 years ago, actually. And what happened was over the next couple of years after that, I ended up having these other little like white dots under my eyes, and she would just zap those off too. And I would say it was probably about after 5 years or so of seeing her, that's when I started buying her products. I started with just using her sunscreen, and then I ended up buying way more products from her. I use her caffeine moisturizer. It has a bunch of different ingredients in it, but it's good for moisturizing my face, and it helps with my acne. Pretty much every day and night. I also, whenever I am exposed to sun, I get red in the face really easily. The day I get exposed to sun, I will put those moisturizing sheets on my face. I've used her vitamin C serum, and it works great for brightening up the skin. Another thing I do use right now is her retinol. I use that almost every night. I also use her glycolic pad. They exfoliate the face, and my skin feels super clean right after using it, and I will put the caffeine moisturizer on right after. My skin starts to look dry and kind of flaky if I don't use the glycolic pads. And I've been using those for years. I love those. I love the retinol. And same with the moisturizing sheets. And then one thing I use daily as well would be the moisturizing cream called, I think, Celebrity Shine, but it's just a tube of lotion, and I just put that on my hands every single night before I go to sleep. I would say the glycolic pads are definitely worth it because I've noticed the difference, so I've been using those for years. Personally, I can speak from my experience that it does help with my skin, clearing up my skin because I do have acne at times. I think the moisturizing sheets are definitely worth it, and the retinol is amazing. And I'm really looking forward to buying her new retinol. She has a new formula, and yeah, I'm actually going to be buying it very soon. I keep coming back because I like the friendly staff. I like Dr. Baron, she's great, and she always has an answer. She's very knowledgeable, and I trust her. I've been coming to her for over 10 years, so I continue to come back. As far as the products go, the retinol, because my skin just looks very clear after using it. Overall, my skin looks better now than it did a few years ago, personally, because I never took care of my skin before, and now I do. So that's why I generally use Dr. Baron's products, because a lot of the other products I do see out there on the market that I've tried from Sephora or Ulta, they usually have fragrance, and those things irritate my skin, can really dry out my skin, so I just really appreciate Dr. Baron's moisturizers she has here. And so I feel like it all just works really well together, so I don't have a need to go out and seek other products.